The new wide angle lens, sheesh, I got mad room. Hey, look how wide this joint is, that's crazy. Woo! Got the wide angle lens. This is super dope, man. Sometimes you gotta switch it up, you know what I mean? But this is hard, I ain't gonna lie, this is super fire. Again, I'm recording on the FX2 to make it do what it do, you heard? Shout out to everybody that's locked in, shout out to everybody that tuned in, man. We going up this year, man. Dreams don't have deadlines. It's 6:45, I gotta be at my daughter's dinner at 7:30, so let me stop playing, man, and get up on the road.
Chevy, baby, I can do the swipe. Came in with a 20 pack, elevated to a 50 ball. 9/11, I was in a Porsche. I took the heaven cause I missed my dog.
Yeah, man, so I'm on this 10 mil, loud 10 mil joint, so first time in the car with it, just testing it out, man. It's joint all right though, you heard? Got the K&F ND filter. Kinda in a rush, that's why I ain't really trying different angles, but I might go downtown Atlanta and try to get some dope shots just to test it out.
Hi guys. Yeah. Wait, Dad, do you have the footage of me getting up this morning and I'm like this? Yes, we are. Dad, take a picture. Okay, take a picture.
Man, this one for the ones who hold me down, so we forever on the rise. Long as I got charged, never me, myself, and I
had purchased a Laowa 10mm lens, and somehow when I opened up my book bag last week, it was cracked. Like it was literally split in half. So I sent that back, they sent me a new one and I got it. So I'm gonna unbox this again and then use this as my vlog camera, you heard? So yeah, Laowa 10mm. Woo! Icy, baby. You did. So yeah, the last one, this part right here was split in half. I don't know if y'all could see where this line is. It was split in half, so you could literally separate the lens. And I know that's not normal, so I returned it. Sent me another one. That's what it is, man. Shout out to Laowa. 10mm for that wide angle shot. You know what I mean? So now you see me. Now you don't. Look how wide this lens is, man. It's crazy, man. That fast, you heard? I've been looking up mad different applications and stuff to help me with the drone life. I found this application called Magic Hour, and it gives you the direct time of golden hour. So right now I typed in Atlanta. It says Magic Hour starts at 7:46, sunset is at 8:20, and it ends at 8:47 p.m. If you got a drone, or even if you don't have a drone and you just want to capture some good shots outside during golden hour, download this app called Magic Hour. I'm putting you on, you heard? And then I also found an application called Autopilot. And so with Autopilot, you literally download it, zoom in, and you can see what areas you're allowed to actually fly your drone. So I put the location near the airport and it says you can fly, but you have to get approval. So if you don't really know if you're able to fly the drone in certain areas, you could literally just download this application and it'll let you know everything you need to know as far as if you're able to fly in that location or not.
oh man, here we go. I'm not the same man I was a year ago. I learned that life could be a merry-go. Moving at a standstill is the scenario. I also learned some girls could fit the stereotype if they got a stereo.
So how'd you feel about the first game?
we're not even gonna talk about that because my coach kept taking me out the game, telling me that I kept forgetting about all the plays, like we never did this. Like all the other girls was doing the same thing. Like they was ball hogging, doing all of this stuff and not playing like they're supposed to play. So I don't really care. This team low-key sucks.
You just gotta continue to work, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got my daughter playing AAU. This might be the first and last year, real rap. I'm not saying AAU is not beneficial, but, you know, I played ball in high school and, you know, throughout my life. So I'm gonna just continue to train her myself, man, because it's like, man, is it really worth the money? I paid $22 to get into the game. The snacks is super high. I pay like $8 for some chips, a soda. It's just like, man, I don't really know if this is worth it, bro. For real. But it's all good. She just getting the experience, and we just gonna make it do what it do.
So I know we're gonna walk inside. So that's another thing we need to realize is if that room where it's gonna be at, if it has a lock like that, the code lock.
Ebony is going to bites a tent or a truck.
Who?
Bites and food. Bites and buns and
Buns and bites.
Are they a tent or a
They're a
truck?
tent.
Okay.
But see, that's why I was thinking.
So we gotta keep that in mind. We'll put them inside. That's fine.
Hold on.
Gonna hand me the measuring tape.
You see that cousin? Period.
Yeah. That's fire.
Yeah. Somebody grab this in.
Wait, what we need this for?
Cause we need it. Cause you remember we were talking about
The balloon arch or the banner? The balloon. It's not a balloon arch.
Are you going from pole to pole?
So it's gonna be 2 balloon towers. Yeah, I got
Towers?
Oh, well then you don't need this, right?
Oh.
So yeah, y'all, I'm shooting an event here downtown Atlanta on June 1st. So we just doing a little walkthrough. Feel me? So that's what's going on. Keeping y'all updated. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. It's going down. You heard? Let's get it.
Y'all don't take out headshots like that?
I mean, that technically it's a headshot. So, yeah.
But remember, we're not running them as headshots.
So this whole thing.
And table
will be
here.
the living room.
This is the living room. So people can literally like.
You said you're putting one couch here? So I'll put our tables this way so we kind of block off this back corner.
That's fine. You know, your table will go this way. It's looking like this.
So yeah, y'all, we downtown Atlanta. This dope location, man. So we got so many different spots that you can, you know, rent out and do events for photography, video, all types of stuff, man. So Atlanta is really dope, man. So yeah, man, we just here checking out everything for the event for June 1st. So I had a link in the description. So if y'all want to check it out, if y'all want to come out.
Yes. So it'll be
Because all of these are going to be moved over there for the storage.
one under here. Wait a minute.
This is all on the table is.
Oh, okay, so we do one under here. Okay, this is where they're gonna come in at, right?
I guess catch everybody having fun. Like,
Yeah.
I wanted to kind of, like, I don't know, I wanted to give the vibe of like the 90s and like the old school cookout. So just people
Okay.
playing cards, people
Yeah.
dancing. So originally we wanted to do like headshots. So a lot
Yeah,
of
yeah.
content creators, you know,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
don't have headshots. But I changed it, like, so it kind of fit with the thing to be more so like, I guess like a memory capsule.
Okay.
So they can take pictures with their friends or just, you know, have props.
Yeah.
We encourage a lot of the interviews to dress up like the 90s and stuff like that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they just want, you know, memorabilia and stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
Okay. Bet. That sound like a plan. I could definitely do that.
Because yeah, we're gonna be in here, and then most of the stuff will be out there. So
Okay.
vendors, and then we're gonna have a section over there called the auntie's living room.
Okay.
So it's gonna be set up with couches, like a rug,
Yeah.
lamps, you know, stuff like that to look like you kind of stepped into grandma or auntie's house.
Okay,
so,
that's
yeah,
dope.
The vendors are gonna be here.
Yeah.
That door is it's a big like garage door there, roll up door.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be open there.
Oh, so that's if that's open, you could just go straight outside.
Yep.
Okay.
Because we don't want them to come in through this door. We don't really like how that looks.
Yeah.
That way, so
Yeah.
the actual entrance will be that gate out there, and
Okay.
then they'll be able to flow all the way from outside and be able to flow in and out here and outside through that door there.
I got you.
So touchy feely.
Shout out the event, cuz. Let everybody know for the YouTube. You feel me? So
Hey,
when I
y'all.
post this, you feel me?
They
You
know
can
that
have
what's
pe-
going on. Okay.
Yeah, you can have
Hey,
people
y'all.
come out.
So I'm Ebony. This is called the Cookout for the Black and Bookish. So this is our first year, but it's going to be a yearly thing. Okay. If you ever heard of Black Romance Book Festival, it's only in Atlanta, Georgia. One of the biggest black romance book events. But yeah, so this is just a kickback like after that for anybody that wants to stay. You don't have to be a book person to come because it's a cookout. We your cousins. Come have fun with us. Period. Love y'all.
We outside, y'all. That's something
So
different. Okay.
I think somebody asked me wrong.
See, yeah, this is dope right here, man. I might have to capture some pictures out here.
Oh yeah.
You know, bring the camera if somebody want to come out and, you know what I mean, take some pictures outside.
Yeah.
With the dope artwork and all that.
Because we don't want to cover up any of the artwork.
Yeah,
we
nah.
want people to be able to take picture with the graffiti and the art that's already here.
Yeah.
We will have like little standees or something.
Yeah.
That people can take pictures with, but we're not going to cover any of this artwork that way people can film and take pictures with it.
Nah, that's dope.
We want to showcase the artists that have already done this, you know?
Yeah. So this is the space right here.
Yeah, this is going to be where the DJ is going to be right there. Of course, we're going to have something going over him. It's going to be the dance floor. People come in from over that way where we was outside earlier.
Yeah.
And we're going to have, like over in this section, we're going to have what we call like the front porch. We're going to have a tent with some chairs so people can just chill. And if they, you know, they don't feel like getting up and dancing, they can just chill right there.
Nah, that's fire.
And I know we're going to have like the giant Jenga and the giant Connect 4 going into the spade game and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They do got a camera too, I think, right there.
Okay.
They have the tape. I'm trying to figure out what you're looking at. Okay. I thought it was that one.
That's the one, but they're saying because these are here, since that door's right there, and we could use one of those instead.
Gotcha. So yeah, they got the little thing where like you can scan yourself out.
Somebody's
Like that was like this big thing.
but like if this is just
Mm.
You scan yourself out, so
Yeah, that's fire.
hopefully people be doing the right thing.
or not.
Oh, they got studios in here too? Damn, man, that's how much the studios. It's the studio prices. Damn, they got nip. Oh, they got the stew. See, this is my type of vibe right here. Yeah.
She the one that just came out of there.
Who?
The young lady right there. Out of
Oh,
there.
for real? Let me ask her. How you doing? I just had a question about the studio.
Uh-huh.
You an engineer or?
I am.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Out of that studio?
No, not this too.
Oh, okay.
Engineer for reception today.
Oh, okay. Now I was just curious because I seen the little stew right there. I didn't know if y'all engineered or what was the prices or the fee.
Working in the studio today, but
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
can send you a number for the price.
Okay. Bet. I'm vlogging too, by the way.
Okay. He's in the music industry.
Okay. Yeah, because I have my own home studio, but I'll just be looking for different places to record. You feel me? Just to, you know what I mean? Get different.
Different feel.
Yeah, so
Like
it's
that
always good.
comfort zone sometimes.
Yeah, and plus, I mean, I like downtown Atlanta, different spots, but you know, I just be wanting to stay ducked off.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Out the way. Like, I be having camera gear and, you know what I mean? I just got to be on point. So, yep. But appreciate it.
Welcome. Let him
Yep.
know Dion.
Oh, Dion.
Yeah.
Okay. My artist name is L.A. Mars, but
L.A.
Lamar.
Mars.
Yup.
All right.
All right. Have a good one. Nice to meet you. I just made a new connect, and that's how you network, man. Back when I first came to Atlanta, I used to be super nervous and shy to speak up and just, you know what I mean, reach out to people and network. That's what it's about. Your network is your net worth. So don't be ashamed. Speak up, ask questions, take numbers down, exchange information. You feel me? If that's one thing that I could go back and change when I first came to Atlanta, I would be more outgoing because I used to be hella nervous and shy. Man, people is people, man. Connect with people, bro. You just never know what doors or opportunities can open from just speaking up. You heard? That's the lesson for the day, man.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the decorator for the cookout. So just looking at making this pretty, making it aesthetically pleasing, making it feel like you're at your family reunion's cookout. You're in your grandma's house chilling on the couch. And just good energy and good vibes, you know? So yeah.
Okay, I'm Tavy. Hello. I am responsible for logistics and operations, so basically making sure that the flow and the movement of all the vendors and our team and the organization is kept together. So yeah.
That's dope.
Hey everybody, I'm OG. This is my event, The Cookout. We are here behind the scenes checking out the final walkthrough of the space. And yeah, that's it. I don't know.
OG is also an artist.
Right.
And
She's
with
the
Love OG.
creative director.
Yeah.
She designs book covers.
Okay.
She draws a lot of shit.
Look, she laid all
can I
this
say
out.
that?
This is her
Well,
vision.
it's in there now.
And the name of the event is the Cookout for the Black,
Black and bookish. Luckily, I already said when I introduced myself.
Well, that.
Somebody did it.
What they said.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
My tent will also have merch, literally black.
Literally black. Yep.
Nice.
Christina is the decorator.
The event, you can find the event on the Cookout event on Instagram and Threads. We also have a website. You can go on literallyblack.co and navigate towards the Cookout event page. We're also on Facebook. We have a Facebook page called the Cookout event, and we have a Facebook group as well.
Nice.
And threads.
I said that.
Bet.
This is a videographer right here.
Why do we need a basketball?
So what's up, y'all? It's almost 12 o'clock Sunday night, man. I had to come in here on a late night because I knew nobody would be here in the gym. So I just wanted to record some content. So sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get the content popping. You heard? There's no excuses. You know, we grinding, baby. So we in here late night in the gym. About to get a light workout in. You know, I gotta work first thing tomorrow morning. But you know, the grind don't stop. So we in here, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, y'all, so you know, I'm on a treadmill. This light workout in, light jog. Get the blood flowing, get this cardio work in, you heard? Again, I'm on this 10mm Laowa lens on a Sony ZV-E1 to get these, you know, dope type of looks. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Shorts is little as hell. Last 2 weeks, my back been killing me, for real, for real. That's part of the reason why I haven't been lifting. I stretch all the time, but I must have pulled a muscle in my lower back. 'Cause my back been killing me the last 2 weeks. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. Got a nice little workout in. I don't even got my watch, but I know it's like 1:30, so I gotta get up in a few hours, but the grind don't stop, baby. Go hard or go home. Feel me? This our year, y'all, so if you wanna level up like me, make sure you comment DDHD in the comments, man. Dream Team, you already know what it is. Appreciate all the new subscribers. Appreciate the day one subscribers. Always remember, dreams don't have deadlines. Let's get it. And now, go!